increasingly demanding requirements apply for materials used to pack and secure goods on pallets. As a result, stretch film plays an ever more important role and is now seen as an indispensable aid in logistics. This material is the best and most cost-efficient way of packing and securing goods on pallets. But what does using hand-wrapped stretch films really involve? Which film should be used? How can you ensure optimum packing and securing of the goods? And where can you potentially achieve savings? This is where we come in. S.R.L Packaging. Together, we find the right solution for shipping your products safely and securely. Just ask S.R.L. There are two types of hand-wrapped stretch films: standard film and pre-stretched film. The pre-stretched films offer several advantages compared to the standard films. See for yourself. Roll weight. Standard film, more than 4 kilograms, including the handheld dispenser. That's hard work. Heavy dispensers and heavy rolls of film. Pre-stretched film, at a light weight of just 2 kilograms, this is a much easier job. Lightweight film carriage rollers and lightweight rolls of film. Film thickness. Standard film, relatively thick films. Pre-stretched film, distinctly thinner films made from raw materials of higher quality. Material consumption. Example, 9 pallet windings using standard film require approximately 300 grams of material on average. Example, in comparison, 9 pallet windings using pre-stretched film only require approximately 120 grams of material on average. This equates to a reduction in material consumption of 60%. Cost comparison. Standard film, 60% higher material consumption, equates to 33% higher costs. Pre-stretched film, savings of up to 33% due to a 60% reduction in material consumption. Preserving natural resources. Standard film, high consumption due to the thicker film. Pre-stretched film, lower consumption due to the thinner film, without compromising how securely the goods have been packed. Occupational health and safety. Standard film, walking backwards with a heavy dispenser and heavy roll of film, high risk of accidents. Pre-stretched film, walking forwards with lightweight film carriage rollers and a lightweight roll of film, no risk of accidents. Practical example. What happens to a film-wrapped pallet on a truck when the driver has to brake in an emergency? Low ability to absorb the forces in the case of standard film. The goods on the pallet slide out of position, ultimately tearing the film. Good ability to absorb the forces with pre-stretched film. The goods on the pallet only change position slightly and the stretch film stands up to the loads. So as you can see, if you want to know more about using stretch films properly, just ask S.R.L. We help you reduce your material consumption and costs. S.R.L Packaging. Better all round. My name is Jürgen Spletzer, Product Manager Films at S.R.L Packaging. Packaging? Just ask S.R.L.